Welcome back, everybody. Now we are going to do the meat of what a POS program is designed to do. That is, create invoices. Yay, invoicing. After all that setup, we get to do invoices. Big yay. So you can click up here. It's going to say, well, what do we want to do? We're going to do an invoice. We're going to do a quick sale because we don't have any customers in here yet. Here we go. Now, I think I remember the SKU number here. It's 20 MTN, maybe? Yes, I was right. 283, and I don't remember the rest of this, so we're going to... Actually, I might. Let's do 2/20 PEPSI, enter. And as we can see, I goofed it quite well. Really? I didn't ask you to do anything, but you did it anyway. Get out of my hair. And we're going to say we want to search to find what we want. And we got lucky, 20-ounce Pepsi, select. Did it put in there that we wanted to? Discount 0. Quantity, yes it did. Okay. And $8.49. And now let's do this. I am going to adjust the price of that Pepsi. We can do it in one of two ways. We can hit the adjust price right here, or we can right click and do adjust price. Let's right click. And, oh, weird. It will not let me adjust the price on that. Weird. Okay, let's see if it'll let me adjust price. Adjust price. Okay. And we're going to knock that down because it's a manager that's getting the Pepsi, so they get the manager discount. Oh, did that like me? Apparently not. So still got the adjust price thingy there. Okay. Which knocked it down to 6 and some change. We're going to do the same thing. Adjust price. I'm going to say that it's a manager discount. Booyah, there we go. We did the proper adjustments. And then we are gonna tender this some gun. And uh-oh, we got a problem. Because our Mountain Dew is, we don't have it. There are one or more back orders on this invoice. Well, what do we want to do about it? And let's go ahead and convert this to an order. So we're going to save this here, and oh dear, we've got a problem. What is our problem? You may not have back orders on a quick sale. Well, let's fix that problem, shall we? Let's turn this into a customer sale. Going up to the ESC menu and choosing change customer. Going to customer here, adding us a customer. And this customer's first name is Susan. Last name is Johnson. Oops, maybe. We don't really give a care about her address. At this point. But we do, however, give a care. If I can find what I'm looking for. About her price level. Because she's a manager, she gets the manager discount on everything when we invoice for Susan by name. Let me look here. Now, down here along the bottom, gang, let's zoom in on this so we can talk about it. You've got your general, who's her assigned sales ID. That would be POS manager. Customer category, if you have specific defaults for customers, such as they all live in, one group lives in a certain area, price level, her tax group. If she is liable for doing VAT, you'd plug in her VAT number, her driver's license number if she writes you a check. You can fill out the rest of this nonsense later. We're just trying to get this going. Phones and buyers, if Susan was a company, we could stick her authorized buyers down here as well. What are her terms? We can say that Susan had a $200 credit limit with us, and she gets a permanent discount of whatever. This will show her credit used, credit due for payments, any sort of customer notes. So if we did add, this could be a quick little thing to let your sales reps know that this person is long-term customer and should automatically be given a discount, or any such other number of things. We're going to say Susan is awesome. Enter. Why not? I got nothing better to do, right? Susan is awesome. Let's see. And if Susan has given us anything to sell for her as part of a consignment, this is how we do it. So that's an overview of the sales, of the tabs on the customer. We've created a customer real quickly. We're going to OK that. We are going to select Susan as our customer here. Now, my dear friends, we are going to try to create that order one more time. We're going to say convert this to an order for Susan, and we are going to say that Susan paid ahead for $1. Oh dear, and I think I know what happened. Because we didn't create the rest of those saying that they were eligible for food stamps. That's why. So she only paid for one of those using her food stamps, and the rest in cold hard cash. But you know, let's do this. Oh well. And why the hell are we getting... Oh, I think I know what happened. Because we did a food stamp authorization. It's going to ask us, hey, what was the approval code when you ran that? I'm going to say that approval code was 9192. I know, and that was approved from our separate credit card processing terminal. Catching, we do not owe her anything. And order number 501 has been created for Susan. And just to give you an idea, this is what... Is it going to do it? No, it's going to pop up because I have our thing set up as a PDF printer so we can see what these look like. And then we're going to OK to that. Then we're going to close our invoice. And we're going to get a look at what that invoice looks like. And it's going to do it for us. Thank you. And whoops. Forgive my lack of planning here, folks, because we're going to keep getting script errors until we say, do not show me this again. Thank you. It's going to come up eventually. Oh, yep. Do not ask me why it's so dang small. Intro introduction. And here we go. This is what our invoice looks like. That is just an example of what an invoice looks like. Let's go back, and we are going to place a PO for that Mountain Dew. That gosh forsaken Mountain Dew. How the heck did we run out of that stuff so quick? So let's prepare our order list. And just a second, if we will. And we want to do create an order list for just the one vendor, which in this case is Pepsi. And yes, we do want to proceed. And the vendor we want is Pepsi Corp. Select. And why, oh why, do we not have what we need in this list? Let us fix that, and let's add. Looking this up. It was. Mountain Dew, select. And we want to order. How many do we want to order? By default, it's going to stick in and say 10. In stock, we have none. Available, we have none. How much do we need? Okay, and that's by the case here, folks. Just remembered that. By the case, we need 10 cases of this stuff. Do not ask me why. But that's apparently what we need. Okay. And then we're gonna add. Come on. And we want to get that from Pepsi Corp. Mountain Dew. Cost is $80. Okay, there's our order list here, folks. And then we are going to say we want to send that to a PO. Yes, that's exactly what we want to do. And then I want to see, boom, there we go. Problem solved. Get the heck out of there. Don't need it anymore. So let's go to our purchase order center. Go to inventory. Purchase order list. Purchase order. Place POs. Receive PO. How the hell do we not have that PO? Place PO. Yes, place PO. And we are going to say, we're going to say, here's our purchase order. We are going to find what I want. PO. Place or edit. We're going to place the PO. And PO total is, wow, I must have made a typo somewhere. $850. That must have been a typo. Guarantee you. And then I'm gonna edit that. So that is wrong. Item detail. And we're gonna say that whole thing. Oh, I know why. Because we were ordering multiple cases of the stuff. I'm an idiot. Then we're gonna say and save process right down here. And what do we want to do with it? We want to process it now. And let's see, did that do what we wanted it to do? Pepsi's PO. And we can receive items without a PO if we manually enter our own stuff. But for most of our stuff, it's already been dealt with. Let's see here. Now we're going to go to received POs. And we're going to go to edit receive. Process this. Maybe. Edit receive. We're going to say, hang on here, folks. We're going to say receiver edit. And we're going to say that we are going to, I could have sworn I did. Click here, do receive or edit. Why is that failing to do what I want it to do? Okay, that is having trouble here, gang. Let's do that again. Receive item from purchase order. Do I want to receive it? Let's see. To the order list it goes. No. Let's go ahead and do this. And do that. Receive. Say edit receive. Gosh dang it. Editor place PO. Okay, I don't know. Did that ever get it set on straight? Let's go to our inventory center and see if we got what we needed. Knowing my bad luck, probably not. 20 mountain. Now I want to go to stock down here. And no, apparently we did not. There's no PO. Okay, well, I'll click on this. Send it to our order list. Yes, please. Go ahead and leave that the heck alone. And we're going to say, go and we're going to the order list, inventory, POs, let's purchase center. Items on order. Why isn't that showing up there? Inventory. Let's see. Purchase order list. Okay, update current order list. And what we're going to do is we are going to say we want to create POs. Yes, we want to create the POs now. There we go. There we go. There we go. Then what do we want to do now that we've created our purchase order? We want to now choose that there okay, so we should now have POs created, so I'd hope. If not, links help us all. This PO here, choose that PO close. They want to inventory, purchase order list. No, I don't want to go away. Inventory, purchase orders, receive purchase orders. There is the PO. And we're going to edit receive. And we're going to say vendor reference number is 555441212. Going to say that the freight charge and all of that mess was nothing. Do not ask me why. And we're going to OK that. And then we are going to say PO info bar. Do receive all. Yes, that's exactly what we want to do, which is receive all. And import PO items. Oh, I think we're done here. Did we get everything we needed? Get the heck out of here. Ding. Oh, well, let's add an item. Today just does not seem to be my day for getting purchase orders to work right, guys. Quantity to order. We're going to say 10 cases. We're going to OK that. We are going to set received quantity to the quantity we ordered. Yes. Save and post PO. Receive now. Items arrived. Yes, here we go, because we have, through all the craziness, guys, we now have Susan's 2 bottles of Mountain Dew. Finally. So let's say complete. Yay, the PO has been received. And if we look at our inventory for our 20 bottles of Mountain Dew, there it is. And let's now go grab that order. Dang it, Susan. Why you wanted Mountain Dew is beyond me. Okay, there we go. We're going to convert that order. Through all the craziness, we're going to convert that order. Find the way to do it. Convert. Okay, there we go. Our Mountain Dew, but she does not want 1. She wants 2. Let us adjust our quantity for 2 Mountain Dews. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and okay that. Okay. And we're going to get asked about our printer. Okay. Fine by me. Approval code 909090 done. Change due $1.70 because she decided to. Don't ask me why, pay again. But there we go. Close invoice. There we go. That's purchase orders in a nutshell. Sorry, gang, that I could not get it to work right the first time. But hey, that's the beauty of doing this all over again. And that's filling a back order. So, and we also got to look at creating customers in this module too. So, we got a lot done here. Hope this has been informative, guys, and we will maybe see if I missed anything. But until then, bye for now.